เก็บอะไรก็ไปซื้อกล้องมาอีกแล้วเนี่ย6,000 กว่าบาทเท่าไหร่กล้องบินอะ
ไปซื้อที่ไหนที่
I have no idea what they're talking about.
ใช่
ใช่ไหมซื้อที่บิ๊กคาเมล่าใช่ไหม
จอดเลย
ก็จะแมว
You gotta walk
Oh,
traffic so bad
fair enough.
It's the biggest festival in Rayong.
What's the best place to go in Rayong if you're in high school or college?
I don't know, the mall.
The mall?
I never go anywhere but the mall.
Guys, the line is insanely long. It doesn't end here at the end of the street. It curves around the corner into the parking lot. Look at this, guys. It's still going. Can't we just cross the street?
No.
Look at this, guys. All the way down here. Might as well grab some snacks while we wait. All right, guys. Finally in line.
Look at those lines.
Goes all the way to that little staircase. Guys, we just got smoke bombed.
It's pad thai.
What is it?
Pad thai.
Oh, yeah, everyone just started coughing, guys. Can't be good for our lungs. Boy, cooking pad thai is dangerous, guys. Do not try it at home.
It's definitely gonna be good.
All right, guys, we're halfway over the bridge to the other side. Let's look at those 6 shirts in the bags. Guys, there's a standing ribeye steak right there, grass-fed. Guys, my ears are about to fall off. They're spitting the sauce about being the best Grab driver in Thailand. And we just bought lottery tickets.
Okay, we got tickets. So if it's, let's see if it wants to go.
ขอการค้าเขาหิ้วเงินมา2 ถุง 3 ถุงขออนุญาตสัมภาษณ์นิดนึงค่ะ
Get like 3.
แล้วดูรายการได้ยังไงบ้างคะ
3.
ซื้อไปเท่าไหร่คะคุณพี่
3.
300ต้องบอกว่าวันนี้นอกจากได้ผงซักฟอกได้น้ำยาปรับผ้านุ่มไปคู่กันแล้ว อันนี้เป็นผลิตภัณฑ์ชุมชนให้ขออนุญาตดูยาหม่องยาดมค่ะนี่จ้ะอาจจะมีเรื่องของสมุนไพรไม่มากนักแต่บอกเลยด้วยว่าอัดแน่นด้วยคุณภาพและเป็นสินค้าของยาดมสมุนไพรนะคะหอมมากๆด้วยแอบดมหอมที่บอกว่าเห็น
So the price, it has what? The fish, the crab, and the shrimp. Let's see what it is. How it is.
I'm a rich man now. I'm gonna go buy some pad thai. How do you feel now that you won the lottery? Guys, there's little pigs on the floor.
Bro, dude is hungry. He's hungry. Wing
at the most. Look at him. He's so scrawny and tiny.
Oh my god. Bro, these
Here,
two
I'll
is
get
so
them
hungry.
too. I'll get them too.
Okay, okay. He's sucking my finger.
What up, dogs? What kind of dogs are these, bro?
Look at him. He just like still. Ryan, no, Ryan.
How's he doing that?
Tired.
Oh, look at that one.
What's the dog doing?
Oh, he finally got some food. Good. He smells good.
Private dancer.
Huh?
A private dancer.
How do you do it? I don't know how to do it.
This seems a little bit American.
Oh, it's sticky. Wanna try? Something?
I have no idea. Alright, see that green one?
Okay.
The green one. I did not hit the green one.
My turn.
Alright.
ก้อยถือหน่อยก้อยถ่ายคลิปไว้หน่อย
This is so rigged, guys.
I don't know how to do it.
America, baby.
Go แต่ไม่ลงสักอัน
What do we win? I hit something.
Just one. You're not gonna win anything, bro. You gotta win like so many to get a prize. You got nothing. Oh, God. It was fun though, isn't it?
America, baby. I feel American again.
But next game. Next game. We're gonna have to throw an arrow to hit one of these balloons and they like pop them. Okay, let's go.
Alright, guys.
ก้อยมา
We have to win at least one.
Now your turn. Okay. Now Ryan. เราได้3 No, 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 no. Dangerous. Don't do it. เราได้3แล้วนี่มึงก็ได้กลับมา Do it ก่อนDude บอกเขาว่าได้3แล้วก็เลือกเอาเลย We got 3
What did you win?
Dinosaur, crocodile, I don't know. But
Busting chicken. Like, I'm telling you, this thing, it's like sweet, savory, tastes like barbecue.
My name is Zeka. you handsome you so cute I love you
Oh, thank you, God. Thank you.
ไอ้สภาพมาแล้วถ่ายเลยหัวโนปีไอ้สภาพรองเท้าไม่ต้องสารเนค่ะ
Free hot pot for life.
มันชอบคมหนาพอเวลาเรียน
Trapped
เลย
up.
ไอ้นาดูคน
Gotta be careful out in these streets. You don't know what could come out. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying, Co?
ไปได้ไหวไหม
Guys, I'm about to break the bike. Ooh. Guys are pulling up to the new crib. MTV cribs. Sabai, sabai. Can't even sing it. Sabai, sabai.
สบาย
Ooh, yeah. We're leaving the temple now, guys.
Dude, look how many like
Yep. We're leaving monk mode.
คนย่าก็นั่งอยู่นั่นพอไอ้ก้อยดังมา